Hi everyone, so this month's skill is baking and cooking more from scratch. And we like to make a lot of pancakes around here. I like pancakes. My kids like pancakes. And so I thought I would make them from scratch. Quite honestly, I've never in my life made pancakes from scratch. But I'm using the Prepared Family Cookbook, and it has, let me show you. It has a recipe here. What I really like about this book is that for many of the recipes, like if it calls for flour, it'll say for the whole soft wheat flour, like that you grind yourself, or it'll give the substitution. So like instead of the fresh milk or powdered milk, you need the 4 cups of the same, you need the 4 same cups of the powdered or the fresh, but you can use powdered milk, of course. Then 4 large eggs beaten, or 4 tablespoons of egg powder plus 12 tablespoons of water to get the same 4 large eggs. So that's really nice to give the substitutions. And then of course you just follow the directions of the pancakes. Here are the pancakes, and I am warming up the stove here. Let's do it. Here's the first pancake in. Ooh. No! Bad flip. But man, look at that. Nice and pretty. All right, the first one's always really bad or really beautiful. Oh, it's looking good. Look at how fluffy it is. Oof. Oh man, so this is the first one. It is very thick, very big, but look at that. Ooh. Ooh. It looks delicious. Smells delicious. All right, not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Ho! Okay. Whoa! Yeah, master flipper. They are very thick, which is nice, but I just have to make sure that I'm cooking them thoroughly without burning them. So I just want to make sure that there's plenty of bubbles around everywhere before I flip, but a little mush is okay, but not raw. All right, let's do a taste test. So some of them have been a little bit gooey just because they're so thick, and I'm trying not to burn it, but I'm trying to cook it thoroughly. This is probably the second or third batch that I did, and this one's really not gooey at all. So it's just kind of learning this technique, and how to bake with specific recipes, brand new recipes, but these are very good. These are very, very filling. But all of these are going to go in the freezer for later. We already ate, and all of this is going to go in the freezer for later. It's great. It's a huge recipe. I could definitely half the recipe, for less pancakes, obviously. But it's nice that I can freeze it for later. They're not beautiful, okay? I messed up a lot, but man, they are good. They're filling, and I'm really happy with this. So this was really eye-opening, as into the whole, wow, this was really easy. Why haven't I just been doing this forever? So now it's good to know that it's pretty easy, and we can do it with the substitutes of the powdered milk and the powdered eggs and all that. So anyway, I am going to put a little screen cap of the recipe here, as well as posting the recipe down below, but it's from the Prepared Family Cookbook. Absolutely amazing cookbook. I absolutely love this. I've tried 2 things from this so far, both winners. So far, so good. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Stick with me the rest of January 2022 for cooking and baking more from scratch. I'll talk to you later. Bye.